My name is Jasin Wayne Thomason, and I'm a graphic designer. I personally came into the graphic design business through drawing, illustration. Started off with comic books, and then I got into the computer software that was needed in order to make these comic books. The company I work for is Spectrum Sign Company. Spectrum Sign has been in business since 2007 and provides visual solutions in all areas, mostly signage, but we also do a lot of graphic design for companies that aid in marketing. Technology for the graphic designer is very important. We're capable now of doing things that we weren't able to do even whenever I started working in the business over a decade ago. There's a lot of on-the-job training in this industry, and the designer in the sign industry takes care of a lot of the printing, a lot of the vinyl plotting, laminating, and sometimes the production as well. My first job, I was coming in as the designer was leaving. This guy was on his way out, and I had to take home books and basically learn how to do everything that night and come back the next day and act like I knew the part. But outside of that, a lot of on-the-job training, and it continues to grow every day. You need to be passionate about art. It's going to be a continual growth process the whole time that you are employed as a graphic designer. It's always changing, and you're going to have that passion in order to keep up with the changes and stay in it. Quality control is very important, especially in the sign industry when you're dealing with a lot of spelling, things of that nature. You got to make sure everything, even down to the detail, the prints, if the colors match the client's Pantones or their branding identity guidelines. It's a lot of multitasking, but if you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't seem as challenging. Graphic design to me is an interesting field just because it's always expanding, it's changing. So I enjoy the challenge of that. And from seeing what I do here in the sign industry, from design to completion, that's just a real pleasure.